What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another portfolio update. Sorry I was off for a little bit. I had a little bit of a Christmas break, but now I'm right back to weekly portfolio updates. So as you guys can see, the S&P 500 has been flat for the past month, but Tesla has been on a crazy ride. We're about flat now, but obviously with the news that testing was going on without a safety driver, obviously there was still a teleoperator, but there was actually no safety operator in the car, and then that just skyrocketed the price. I did buy more shares in my invest account around the 460 mark, so I was up massively. Obviously now we're about break even on it, but obviously this is a long term hold. So yeah, I did add about 7 shares in my invest account. If you guys want an update of that, let me know. Um, yeah, so now we have come back down slightly. So now we're sitting at 151,841, up 64%. Currently sitting at 457 shares in the ISA. And if you guys can see now, my next position is no longer a position. So obviously with the ISA, no allowance, I've got very limited capital in the account. And just Nvidia had a nice rally. And my other stocks like Robinhood and IRN were really badly punished still. So I did sell my Nvidia share to buy one more share of Robinhood just to lower that average down a bit. I bought it around here. So yeah, and IRN, I was able to lower my average down by buying 2 more shares. So and it has gone back up since then. So I was down like 30% on IRN. Now I'm only down 16%. So yeah, sometimes yeah, even though I did like Nvidia and I still wanted to hold Nvidia, it was just limited capital. You have to find the best, because it's obviously Nvidia will still grow, but the opportunity cost of not putting that money in a company that's going to grow more, that's always the option you're having to fight between. Yeah, with investing, it's just about the return that you're going to get from the company invested in, but you also have to look at the opportunity cost of missing out on other investments. So although I did sell my Nvidia position for a loss, my Robinhood and IRN positions had fallen down more than that loss. So I thought it was a better use of that capital to be reinvested into those two companies. So if you guys look, we're sitting at account value of £153,296. And funny thing is, today is actually my 5 year anniversary. So obviously it's 1st of Jan, £0. It's not shown here, but it was actually the 6th of Jan 2021 where I deposited the first amount, and then in Feb it was 2,000, and then by the next year it was 19,000. So I grew 19,000, and by then I put in £15,000. So it's a nice return. If we go to the next year, we were at 18,000. This was in beginning of 2023 when Elon Musk was buying Twitter, and yeah, rate of return minus 83.9%. Tesla tanked, and I just bought more. Obviously, I couldn't buy that much more because I was at uni and money was tight, but I did still max out my ISA that year. And if we go to the next 2024 Jan, we're sitting at 59,000, so we're basically back at break even. And then if we go to 2025, we're at £122,000. So if you just look, that's why time in the market beats time in the market. If we look, £59,000 in 1st of January 2024. If you go to the 1st of January 120, that's basically a double, which is in 1 year. And if we look in the 1st of Jan 2026, we're at 153. So the year over year wasn't as big. It was only about £20,000 between the 1st of Jan 2024. But I'm expecting, just like I did in between 23 and 24 and 25, I got a double. I'm looking at another double in 2026. So yeah, at the beginning of 2027, my goal is for this portfolio in this account to be £300,000. Now maybe you're laughing at me, and maybe you're thinking that's too ambitious, but that's just a goal I'm laying out at the start of the year. It's New Year's resolution. My New Year's resolution for 2026 was to have a net worth of £350,000. Now, currently it's sitting at it at the end of 2025. It's sat at £150,000. Just because I do have stuff in my invest account and I obviously have uni debt. So yeah, but now I'm looking to get that net worth to about £350,000. So in this account, get £300,000, and then total net worth, including the house I'm buying, I'm looking to buy that really run down, and then obviously do it up. Get a massive amount of equity built there. So I'm looking to try and get a net worth of £350,000, which I think's achievable. Possibly £400,000. I think that's a stretch. So I'm just going to stick to my goal of trying to get to £350,000 by the end of 2026. If we look at my investments, Tesla up 63.82%, Robinhood down, basically break even on cost, and IRN down 16%. So these two have had a nice recovery from where they were. I think they were hardly unfairly punished, but now they are starting to rise again. So I'm happy that I was able to buy a dip. And let me know, what other stocks you want me to look at. Maybe add to my wait list. Thinking of buying, because I do have about $4,000 in my invest account. Obviously, I've got that on the sideline just for legal fees for if I do decide to buy this house. Obviously, my offer hasn't been accepted yet. It's been a while, but then it's been over Christmas, so what can you expect? But I'm going to keep £3,000 aside for legal fees, but that means I have an extra £1,000, and I'll have more money coming my direction from working, because now that I've got that £3,000 just ready to purchase the house, I can just keep on buying. So let me guys know what you want me to look at. Anyway, that's it for me today. That's 5 years investing in the stock market. Let me guys want to know if you want me to do a lessons learned 5 years investing in the stock market. So I think that'd be a great video to make. Obviously, it would really get me to look back on everything that I've done over the past 5 years, the mistakes I've made, believe me, a lot of them, and just lessons I've learned and just advice. So let me guys know if you want me to share my lessons learned over 5 years investing in the stock market. Let me know. And that's it for today, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.